Hello everybody, this is John out here with Specialty Electric, and this is the Roboto XL by Modern Forms. Here we did the matte black. You see it goes really well in this room. I'll give you a shot from the other side. This is a 70-inch Roboto XL. There are other sizes as well. We did the 52 upstairs in the son's bedroom. This one here, the black goes amazingly well with the kitchen, accents the living room well. Modern Forms makes a nice product. They're all wet rated. They are DC motors. You can do this one with or without the light kit, the luminaire they call it. They're all remote control, Wi-Fi enabled. They work with all the majority of the home systems, Apple. They have their own as well, their own app, the Modern Forms app. Comes in, I think, 4 colors, a couple sizes. Fan Diego. We'll make a fan out of you, or they'll make a fan out of you, and Specialty Electric would have done right.